Hello everyone! Are you a short girly struggling with what to wear, or you want to look a little bit taller, you want to catfish your height a little bit with your style? I got you. I'm gonna give you a few tips and tricks on how to look taller, or at least, you know, how to look less short. And I will also be showing you examples and like styling outfits with those tips. So even if you're not a short girly, this video can definitely also be used as outfit inspiration. Also, sorry, hi, welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. If you are new here, subscribe. Let's keep the channel growing. I think 90% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Rude. Please subscribe, it helps me with my growth. Also, if there's any type of video you want to see from me, comment it down below, or else how am I supposed to know? I say we get straight into it. I have a few outfits planned here, have some shoes laid out there. It's not 100% planned out yet, so throughout the video we'll try different things out, I think. First little tip that I already knew and I've heard a lot of times in my life from many people actually, because when you're short, a lot of people feel like they can just tell you, oh, by the way, if you do this, you'll just look taller. Like, I'm actually fine with my height. I have nothing against it. Why are you assuming? But that would be pointed toe heels or pointed toe shoes. Sorry, they don't have to be heels. They can be flat too. Obviously, a heel will give you more height, but it isn't specifically what's gonna make you look taller all the time. So the detail here is that the shoes that you want to wear should be pointy, because the point kind of makes your leg look elongated. It kind of feels like the leg just continues just a little bit more than what it would if you were wearing like round toe shoe or square. A square toe shoe, I find those very beautiful, very pretty, but it kind of just cuts off the foot, it cuts off the leg and will make you seem shorter. To prove my point, I will be styling a pair of heels. I'm gonna style these ones. These are a pair of Jimmy Choo heels, but I actually thrifted them. And as you can see, they are pointed toe. So I'm gonna put these on, and then I'll also put on a pair of square toe heels so you can see the difference and see what I mean. For this outfit, I haven't really done too much because I just really want to show you the heels and the effect that they have. So as you can see, I'm wearing my pointed toe heels. You can't see the heels, and it's not necessary, you don't necessarily need to either, but you need to see the point. And personally, I feel like immediately when I put this on, my legs are giving long. And now I have another pair of heels that are square toe, and I'll put those on and you'll see the difference. Remember this, and now let's switch. You see the difference? I feel like I look more closer to the ground all of a sudden. I feel like these shoes are still kind of going towards pointy. They could still maybe give long leg vibe, not as much as the pointed toe heels. Next little tip that I have is to find a good pair of jeans, but you're gonna look for a little detail. Very specific detail though, and that is to find an asymmetrical waistline. And what I mean by that is that at the waist, they're not gonna sit like your regular pair of jeans. They're gonna go into this V shape, just like this. I'll show you in a second. I have my pair of jeans. It's the first time that I own a pair of jeans like this, and it instantly made me look like I had longer legs. So I was like, give me 14 of them now. They are from Cider. I'll make sure to link them in my description box. When you close them, you can see that here on the front, they close a little lower down, and it gives you, first of all, it gives you a cinched waist. Your waist looks snatched, and second of all, it makes it look like your hips sit a little bit higher up than what they actually do, and that's what gives the long leg effect. Let me put these on. We are on outfit number 2. This is what it's looking like. The jeans, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I'll pop up like a regular waist jean and then the difference. But I definitely see it when I wear these jeans. And I've gone for a little bit of more colorful outfit this time, because it's always fun with a little bit of color, and everything I wear, I'll link it in my description. So if there's anything you want or want to know where it's from, it will be down there. I decided to pair these jeans with a pair of dad sneakers from Nike. I love these shoes. They're such a good everyday shoes. I've talked about them a million times already though. And then a pink little tee, I think it's from Bershka. Colorful bag with that. I can tell you that these jeans, every time I take pictures with them, I definitely look like I am a catfish. For my height at least. Like, I've met so many people that have only seen me like on Instagram and they're like, I thought you were taller. You're shorter in real life. And I said, well, that's because I know the petite tips and tricks and I know my angles. That's the real deal. Anyways, tip number 3. Mini skirts or mini dresses are a short girl's best friend. I think short girlies are the ones that rock them the best and it flatters us the most. As people say, skirts should be the size of a belt. Let's get into it. I'm kind of obsessed with this outfit. I'm not really sure how I want to like close this up, but the denim on denim is a vibe, and the fact that this is like almost as long as the skirt is perfect. Mini skirt. Show off your legs as much as possible. Wear mini skirts with maybe a pair of boots. Not over the knee boots though. They need to be under your knee because then like once again you'll see more of your leg and it will give the illusion that you have longer legs. And then I think this also really works because it's denim on denim. It's the same color. It's like all in unison. Because I feel kind of like cowboy, I feel like these huge glasses are a vibe. Okay, cute. Except for that I can't see if I wear the glasses. But yes, I'm actually not even wearing any shoes for this look. But if we just look at the outfit, I feel like this skirt could be even shorter. I really just want to show off as much of my legs as possible. And we're good. We're actually like low-key a tall girly. Delulu till it's true. Is that even what people say? I also stole this from my mom. Well, actually she didn't want it anymore, so it's mine. I think it's from Another Stories. Super pretty. I feel like this little life hack is pretty believable. I don't know. Let me know if you agree. Are mini skirts the move for short girlies? I think so. Let's move on to the next hack. Monochromatic outfit. Okay, I'm already wearing that as you can see, but I have another outfit in mind because I wore it I think it was like last week. Instantly I was like, this is giving tall girl vibes. So let me put that on and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. But firstly, I'm just going to say monochromatic is, if you don't know what that means, first of all, that means that your whole outfit has the same color. So a full white outfit, a full black outfit, full beige outfit, full blue outfit. Because the same color is throughout the whole outfit, it just looks longer. Here is the outfit. First of all, yes, it's all one color. I'm also blending in with my wardrobe. But what I really think is important here is, as you can see, this flows over my trousers and then my trousers keep going, so like it just elongates the whole look. But what I think is really important with this is that you don't wear like a crop top, because if this was cropped, I feel like boom, it kind of like stops. The flow wouldn't be flowing anymore. Because it's over my trousers and it's flowy and it kind of just continues, that's what elongates it. That's what makes the look more put together. That's what makes me look taller. I even had on a pair of heels that were in the same color. They are never to be seen right now actually, but that doesn't matter. That's not like what's important right now. They're also a pair of pointed toe heels, which I guess helped. But yeah, and I like, this is not a set actually. I bought this off of Vinted, and these are from GU when I was in Hong Kong. So like I bought them at completely different times, but they are such a good color match, as you can see. So if you don't have clothes that are in the same color, whatever, get a set, a matching set, and make sure that it fits really well. And I absolutely love this trick. Monochromatic, easy. Okay, next we have small shoulder bags, and that's like opposed to wearing a big bag, because if you wear a huge bag, you're gonna look way smaller. And since we are already small and short, if you wear a small bag, it's either gonna give the effect that, okay, it's just normal and you look taller, I guess, or it's really gonna give that like effect that you look taller. For this outfit, for example, I have a matching bag that's like low-key this color. It's actually not exactly the same color, but I have my Jacquemus bags and I've added a few bag charms to it. But it's also like a quite small bag. It just makes me look like I'm wearing a regular size bag, but for like someone super tall, it would probably look tiny on them. But I also have another bag to show you. It's my Maj bag, which is also really small and really cute. I mean, you can wear it different types of ways, like crossbody, on your shoulder, or just in your hand like this. And I feel like in your hand like this works best. It's literally the size of my hand. In this context, that is perfect. So yeah, if I just hold it like this, it doesn't look huge. which means I don't look tiny. So that's fun that also like, you can look bigger and taller with just accessories. It doesn't always have to be clothes or like full outfit or something. It can just be a little detail like that, and that can work too. A tip that I found on TikTok, I believe it was, I mean it usually is because that's where I find everything, it was to match a scarf with your shoes. So whatever scarf you decide to wear the same color on your shoes. And I was so interested by that, and they basically said that it's gonna draw the eye down, so that makes you look taller basically. And that was so interesting. And I don't really wear scarves and stuff like that, but I have started wearing ties a little bit since that's like low-key trending, or like thinner scarves. So let me show you what I found. I could either work with this. This is a tie, and it's black and has like a few yellow and blue details on it. I feel like if I wear that, I would kind of just, you know, either wear like this or maybe throw it back like that. I don't know if I should style this scarf, or I found this, a scarf that also turns into a necklace, because I could just wear it like this, or I could even tie it like around, and this is like black and silver, and then on the ends it looks like this, really cute. I feel like I should try that, and then a black pair of shoes. Here is the outfit with this scarf. I decided to also put on the bag again, but I'm not sure if maybe this ruins the whole vibe. I don't know if it distracts the eye a little bit. Maybe we throw her out, this scarf and then the black shoes as well. I feel like this actually really works. I have my mirror here and I'm looking at myself. I think it is giving tall girl vibes. I really think this works. I don't know, maybe also the silver and this distracts a little bit. Wait, let me try it with a tie. That's really cute as well. I think this is a success. I definitely think I want to do this more often. Even if I bring the tie to the front here, it's giving something. It's giving unique, it's giving different, it's giving, I love the accessories on this. I love, it looks like, you know, it doesn't look so basic. I'm obsessed with this actually. I think this is a great trick. I'm so glad that we found this together. That's so cool. This is why I love TikTok. I didn't even know that you could do that, and now I have another trick to catfish my height. Another hack that I found was to match the color of your shoes to the color of your trousers, and that makes so much sense as well. It's kind of like the pointed toe heels. It makes the leg continue. Here it's exactly the same thing. It's like the trousers and the shoes being the same color. It gives that effect that your leg is still continuing. It just like keeps going. I think it would be easy to do it with these shoes, like a black pair of shoes with a black pair of trousers. Hair is up for this outfit, but I actually ended up changing my shoes for my ballerina shoes, but they are also black, so it works for this outfit. And this is what it looks like. It makes so much sense. This definitely gives long leg vibes. I love this. I also added a little belt for some more details, because you know we love accessories. Accessorizing is the key for everything. But yeah, like such a simple thing to just match your shoes to your trousers. I can't believe I never thought about that. But anyways, always fun that we can find new tips and tricks. Also, if you have any tips that I don't mention in this video, write them in the comments down below. Let's help each other out. But yeah, I think this is such a cute outfit too. It's so comfortable. These are just a pair of pants that I usually just use at home to lounge in, but now because I put the belt on it, it just looks like so much more like a fit, you know? I'm so happy to be like learning new things. Now we are getting into the rule of thirds. If you haven't heard about this, let me pop up a good explanation right here. But basically it's that you put focus points in thirds to your body. So you kind of want to have, for us short girlies, a good idea is 1/3 should be the top, so you have a like small top, crop top, and then the 2/3 are your legs. So you want to focus it like that. I think it's easier if I just put an outfit on and explain whilst I have an outfit on, because I feel like that just makes more sense. I decided to keep the ballerina shoes on, keep the belt on, and keep my hair up for this. Basically, the rule of thirds is making something look more pleasant, because you're dividing your outfit up into 3 sections. Instead of doing half and half, doing it into 3 just makes it more interesting, less basic, blah blah blah. So what I've done here is put most of the attention on the bottom, that's long, flowy, and then a crop top to really like show that separation. And I feel like because of the flow of this skirt and the top looking kind of smaller, it also gives the illusion of like the bottom part being a lot longer than the rest of the body, and hence making me look like I have long legs, which, disclaimer, I don't. And then once again, we are also in a monochromatic outfit, but this time there is that crop part, so a little different from the other outfit that I did. Still tall girl vibes. I don't want to say it's a fashion rule, also because I want to say that fashion has no rules. So even if these are like tips to look taller and blah, 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 you don't have to do it just because you're short. Like, you can wear whatever you want. Remember that. Last little tip that I have for you is, I feel like this is a little bit controversial. I feel like most people would go against this, but it's actually to wear trousers or skirts that are a little bit too long and that just skim the floor. And that also just gives the illusion of being a little bit longer. But if it's like way too big and obvious that it's way too big, that's not really the vibes that I mean. But really have an item of clothing that like just touches the floor, and it really just gives that illusion of length. So I'm gonna put on another skirt that does this and show you. This skirt right now is like just hitting the floor, and I'm wearing heels. But even when I take them off, I can always just lift up the skirt a little bit on the waist, because right now it's like really low waist. But even just that it's just skimming the floor is making me look not short. And I decided to also match my sunnies to my bag, because I thought that was just like a fun little detail to the fit. I think maxi skirts in general just give the illusion of longer legs. I feel like I've heard people say short people shouldn't wear maxi skirts because it makes them look shorter, but I'm totally against that. I think maxi skirts make everybody look taller. But like, once again, the maxi skirt has to fit and has to be a good length for you. Obviously, if it's like completely on the floor and like you can see that it's way too big, then obviously it's gonna look too big for you. It's gonna make you look smaller. I think it would be really fun to try out different brands that say they make petite clothing. Let me know if you would find that fun. I should make that video. And if you then also know what brands make petite clothing, because I don't think I know that many, to be honest, but I'm sure there are lots out there. Those were all my tips and tricks for today. Like I said, comment down below if you have any more. Let's help each other out. Also, if you're watching this just to get outfit inspiration, I hope I gave you that, and I hope to see you in my next video. Hit that notification bell to keep yourself updated. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.